part, I'm going to show you how to start a Premiere project. It's pretty easy. So you start up Premiere, and if you're in the latest version, you'll get this screen. If you're in a slightly older version, you'll get something slightly different. But basically, this is what you need: is a new project if you're starting a new project, or open project if you're setting or you're going to edit on a project you've already started working on. The newest version also has some team options, but I wouldn't worry about that right off the bat. So you're going to click New Project, and you'll get a new project window, and you should always give it some sort of title. So I'm just going to call this the new project for video, something like that. And then I have a folder already set up, so that's where I want to save it. If you want to save it somewhere specific, which you should save it in the same place that you have your video files. You can change that. When you first start out, you really don't need to worry about any of these settings, so you just say OK, and then you will have a new project, and there it is.